Okay, so he wanted to hear this running. That's what I'm doing. This really is a nice truck. I like the interior in it a lot. Let's see here. I should have somebody out here revving it up for you, huh? Everybody's pretty busy today. So I think this would be a pretty sound investment. If you want to sit and talk about numbers and see where you're sitting, just give me a call. Just a quick reminder glance of what we have here. Yeah, very nice looking truck. So give me a holler. 858-8574. Hope you had a good weekend. Thank you.